Hey guys, in this video, we are going to talk about how to add motion blur in Capcut PC. The first thing we have to do is open Capcut PC and add the assets or video we have to use. For example, we are using this dancing video. Now what we have to do is split this video into two parts and then further split these two parts into two more parts. Okay, after doing this, select all clips, copy and paste it. Now adjust both layers. After doing this, click on Effects section at the top right side. Now search blur. There are different blur effects. Make sure to select this one. Now adjust it over the clips and then make few adjustments. Make blur to 50 and range to 0. Select the upper layer clips and effects and then make it compound clip. You can do it by clicking on right click and then click on compound clip. Now click on adjustments. Make its exposure to -10. Now final step, add keyframes. Select points and make sure to do keyframing at blend section. It's very important to do keyframing of blend section only, not any other section. Add keyframes. Now add keyframes in middle of every clip. After doing this, simply select a keyframe. Now from here, by selecting this arrow, you can move forward and backward. Now from here, by selecting this arrow, you can move forward to the next keyframe. Okay, now select first keyframe, move forward to the second keyframe, make its opacity to 0. Make sure its opacity should be 100 and then next one, make its opacity to 0. Repeat this process. After doing this, let's review it. It's looking good. So that's it for today. If you have found this video informative, please make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more informative videos. Thank you.